Welcome to Help for Code Learning. I'm Ashish Gadpaile, your Oracle and SQL trainer. Today we are going to discuss about SQL mathematical functions. So what do you mean by SQL mathematical functions? SQL mathematical functions are used to perform the mathematical operations. Means in SQL and Oracle, if you want to perform the mathematical operations which will return some numeric value, so in such a case we use mathematical functions. So how many types of SQL mathematical functions are there in Oracle and SQL? So first we will discuss about the ABS, then power function is there, SQRT function, EXP function, greatest function, list function, round function, floor function, trunk function and mod function. So these all function we are going to discuss. So now let's discuss practically so you people have a clarity. So guys, first discuss about the ABS function. What is mean by ABS function? So ABS function is used to return the absolute value. So how to return the absolute value then? So type select ABS. We have to pass here a value, like for example I am passing -44 from 12. 12 is a dummy table, so it will return ABS -44. Suppose I am passing 44, so it will return of course positive value, that is absolute value. Next function is that is power function. What do you mean by power function? Suppose power is having two variables x and y. So what that means, the power function will return the value of x to the power of y. So we have to pass here two values. So let's write the power function. Select power, and here we have to pass two values, like 2 raised to the power 4 from 12. So it will return 2 raised to the power 4, that is power of 2 raised to the power 4. Like suppose if I am doing 2 raised to the power 3, so it will return 8. Next is SQRT function. So what do you mean by SQRT function? So SQRT function returns the square root of a number. So we have to pass, suppose we are passing x value, so it will return square root of x. So let me pass this is our SQRT function, and SQRT function, suppose I am passing 16. So, suppose I am passing 16 here, so it will return 4. Suppose I am passing in SQRT 9, so it will return 3. So this SQRT return will be the square root of a number. Similarly, we have the EXP function. Next, what EXP function is doing here? The SQL EXP function returns a raised to the nth power. Means here n will be the numeric expression. We have to pass a numeric expression here. So it will return the numeric expression, and E is the base of the natural algorithm, and the value of E is approximately 2.718 like this. So now let's use the EXP function. So what we have to use here? EXP function. EXP of, suppose I want to find exponent value of 4. So it will return some value. Okay, like similarly I want to mention some alias name. So here I can use alias name for it, like as we have to mention like e to the power, we can say e to the power, like alias name we can also mention here. It is possible to mention, so it will be appear like this, like e to the power like this. So we have to use this exp function. Then next function we have, what function we have? We have the greatest function is there, sir. Greatest function. So what do you mean by greatest function here? The greatest function will return the greatest value of the list of arguments. So we have to pass the number of values here first, and then it will return the largest value, means greatest value. So mention select greatest, and we have to pass n number of values, like I'm passing 2, 12, 4 like this. I am passing, so these are the values I just passed. Okay, and we have to use the dummy table, that is 12. So it will return the 77. 77 is the max value, that is the greatest value. So we can find the greatest value from the among mentioned numbers. Similarly, next function we have, that is a list function. What do you mean by list function, guys? So list function will return the list value of the list type of argument. So whatever function I use, just like greatest function I use here. So similarly, same value I am using, and I am just mentioning here list. List function is there. So what list function will do? List function will find the list value from the given list. So my the list value is 2. So here we can mention the list value. Next is round function is there, sir. What is mean by round function is there? So what round function is doing? The round function will return the value of x rounded off to the whole integer that is nearest to it. Suppose I am passing a x value, so what it will return the rounded of x to the whole integer that is nearest to it. So now let's discuss practically, so you people have again clarity. So I'm mentioning here that is select round function is there. My round function is there, and in round function I am passing just 4.7. So what value will be written? That is 4.5. Okay. Now I'm mentioning here like 4.9. So what value will be written? That is 5. And again, suppose I am mentioning that is 4.4. Then what will return? The 5. Means it will return nearest to the it. Similarly, next we have that is floor function is there, sir. What do you mean by floor function? So the floor function will return the largest value that is either less than x or equal to it. Means if you are passing a x, so it will return the largest value either less than x or equal to it. Means just it's opposed to the round function. So now just mention here in place of round, mention that is floor function is there. So like I am passing here 4.7, so it will return 4. If I am passing here that is suppose 4.9, so it will return again 4. If I am passing here that is 4.1, so it will again return 4. So it will return the x value less than x or equal to it. Now next we are going to discuss about the trunc function. What is mean by trunc function, guys? So trunc function will return a number truncated to 2 decimal places. Suppose I am passing 2, so it will truncate it 2 decimal places. Suppose I am passing 3, so it will truncate it up to 3 decimal spaces. So now let's discuss practically how to use this trunc function. So I have a query that is select trunc. Trunc function is there. Trunc. And here we have to mention the values, like suppose I am mentioning here 153.275 is there. Okay, and up to 2 decimal places I have to truncate it. So what it will return 153.27. Suppose same value is there, sir, and I want to truncate it up to 3 places. So it will return 3 value. Suppose my value is my decimal value is large, like 765. Again, I am mentioning, and I want to truncate it up to 4. So it will be written after decimal value, that is 4 value will be written. Okay. Similarly, if I'm mentioning here that is 1, so it will return only 1 value after decimal point. Okay. And even I can mention 0 as well. So it will not return any decimal value. Okay, it will return only integer value. So trunc function is used to return to truncate it up to the x decimal places. That decimal places might be 1, 2, 3, or any you can mention. So what is next function, guys? Next function we have that is a mod function, sir. What is mean by mod function? So mod function we have to pass 2 values, that is x and y. Okay, so the variable x is divided by y and their remainder will be the return. So we have to pass here 2 values, that is x and y we have to pass. So now let's discuss practically about the how to use this mod function. So mod function is there, sir. Just mention here mod, select mod, and here we have to pass 2 values, like suppose I am passing 8,3. So it will be written 2, and even we can find, yes, it will return a remainder of 8 and 3. So what is the remainder? 3 to the 6, right? And 2 is the remainder. Similarly, if I want to mention, I want to add alias name. So I can add alias name here. Like suppose what I will write, find mod. Okay, so it will written like this, find mod, and remainder will be the 2. So these are the some functions we can use in SQL and Oracle. There are other functions, there are list of other functions that we can use. So like this list of mathematical and numeric function that you can use, like a cos, a sine, exp, log, ln, sin, sin, tan. So these functions we can use also. So just take note of it, guys. Okay. So this numeric function we can use in SQL and Oracle also.